So they're all saying that the new Pixel is the iPhone killer, but they don't know that Apple has an ace up their sleeves. Let's see it together. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from One Lens Only, or I should say Video Tom here today, because we're discussing this video making stuff which I was interested only recently because I got a gimbal, and so I upgraded my phone, and then I started also shooting with this as a second angle. And so I was studying the log on the iPhone, on the Samsung, and eventually also the new Pixel that has been released, and everybody they are saying it's an iPhone killer because in the last few years recently a lot of video makers use the iPhone as a one tool, and so you can have a lot of gigs and you can eventually also rig it up with an additional SSD, with the ND filters, with the cage, with everything to do proper things using one tool only. Now, you know that it's super convenient and I'm all in for it, because the less you spend and the most effective any dollar you spend, the happier I am. And I know that the clients only want certain results, so they're not really professionals in reviewing the results, so they pay for the creativity much more than for the image quality. But anyway, image quality, it's plenty. Now, they are all saying that Pixel 10 is the iPhone killer, but they don't know that iPhone, namely Apple, they have an ace up their sleeves in the form of a brand new patent that I discovered thanks to the usual YM journal. I will put the link down here below. These guys are phenomenal in discussing new patents and all new releases video related. So basically, a long story short, you will not have anymore a pack of lenses moving back and forth to acquire focus, but instead of moving a pack of lenses, they will have a prism that goes just slightly up and down, meaning that the sensor can stay there and with the in-body image stabilization along the X and the Y axis, while the glasses that normally moved along the Z axis, they will stay fixed. This translates first into better heat dissipation. This translates into the phone eventually being slimmer because they don't have to move the glasses anymore, but they will only have a small prism that goes ups and down in these dimensions. So they will have an actuator, and this translates into faster speed for acquiring focus, and then less breathing, and then the sensor can stay in its place, the glasses can stay in their places. You will only have this prism that with a very short movement, it changes the trajectory of the light big time. And so you will see the changes that you normally had in switching position of group of glasses, just moving the prism a tiny bit up and down. So this is a great patent, and it will eventually change the way we are recording videos with the iPhone, and then eventually the patent will become mainstream and all the other brands will use more or less the same version of that patent for themselves. Of course, it cannot be exactly the same thing, otherwise the patent will be useless, but still I think that in the near future we will see this jump, because I was always feeling that we reached the limit in evolution in tech for photo and video. Now there are a few breakthroughs, like the recent Hasselblad X2D 100 C2 or whatever is the name, that has a 10 f-stops IBIS inside the camera, which is phenomenal. Never seen. Normally it's 5 to 6, maybe 7 if paired with the OIS inside the glasses. And this new patent from Apple, well, first, the heat dissipation is a great thing because you're already shooting RAW, and so ProRes, Apple, you need an SSD, but you also need a heat dissipation. And then we are seeing new breakthrough also from Holyland. They have their Live 2 camera for live streaming with unlimited recording, and this change in video making with smartphone. Well, guys, welcome to the year 3000. So with that, please let me know down here in the comments if you have any question about this new patent. I will put the link down below so you can have a thorough explanation and you can see the plans of what has been patented and exactly how it works. I try to make it very simple for you to have this content and to be aware of the new releases, but together with other patents that are coming from Apple. I will have a different video to talk about that. Ideally, the iPhone 20 will be a real game changer. So stay tuned with that, because we are discussing the new patents in photo and video, because I know we reached the saturation, we reached the top development for this generation, and I can't wait to have this new era of technology help us creating more contents in photo and video. So with that, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the new videos to come, and I guess I wish you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.